Right. So before you start a new channel, a new YouTube channel, and launch it, these are some of the settings you need to know. Very, very important before you even launch it and before you even publish your first video. As you can see, this channel is very new. It's new. It doesn't even have a subscriber, not even one subscriber. Great. And so this is going to help us a lot to be able to achieve what we want now. Now, as you can see, we are on the studio now. Okay, the web version of the studio. Actually, I'm using the Google Chrome. I mostly do recommend using the web version of the studio, the YouTube studio, because it gives you almost all the features. Now, when you use the app version of the YouTube studio, you may not be able to get these features that we're going to talk about. Okay, so first of all, straight away, you see you have the three lines on top over here. That's your left corner top there. You click on that to get the names of the options showing over here. Actually, without clicking on the three lines to get the names, you're going to see some images. That's icons. Okay, so now the first one is the dashboard. As you can see clearly over there, the dashboard simply talks about the home page, I should say, and it captures almost all on your platform. That's the summary of your platform. That's your channel. Now the content, that's the number 2, actually has the your videos, either your live videos, your all forms of videos. Okay, so you click on the content, that's where you're going to see all of them. Now the analytics is where it's going to get you the breakdown of the videos, the number of views, the number of subscribers, your monetization details and stuff. Okay, almost everything over there. The comments actually ideally and clearly shows the comments on your videos. The subtitles also shows you see, when you have some videos, sometimes you put subtitles on them. Okay, so that's where it gets you the details of all that. The copyright section shows you if someone has actually used any of your content. All right, yeah, so that's that one. All these, I come to them some other times and explain them into details for you. Now the end section is where you do your monetization. If you have some monies in your account, where you can check it out and all that. Okay, so the next one is customization. Now that is where you customize your YouTube channel. You get some details and descriptions and a whole lot of that. Okay, the next one is audio library. At that stage, there are some number of live audios you can use right freely from YouTube. Okay, so after knowing these, now get down here on the same side, all right, down there, and you're going to see settings down there. That's very, very important. Please, that is one of the most important places on your YouTube studio. All right, and then the next one is send feedback, but we are going to concentrate on the settings. Let's click on that and see what's actually going to pop up. Okay, great. So now there we are. We have the genre. I will explain to you what the genre is over there. That is the default unit showing your currency over there, and then the channel. Great, you click on the channel, you see we have your country of residence. You select the country of residence, and then you get to where we have keywords. These keywords, let me take time to explain it for you. So that is the first setting place you need to do. At the keyword section, please, you can even use the Meta AI or any of the AI apps to actually help you. Now explain your channel to the AI or any actual app that you're using. All right, and then the app is going to generate some of these keywords for you, or you can even do it yourself. What is your channel all about? So get these keywords out of what your channel is all about, and then you enter them over here. Because when you do it this way, it helps the YouTube algorithm to actually know what your content is all about. But if you create a channel, YouTube channel, and you don't do any of these, and then you start to be uploading video, upload almost all the times, but you wouldn't be getting the views that you want, all because the YouTube algorithm is not being able to detect some of these keywords that are talking about your channel or the content of your channel. So please, and now when you check down there, it says that you can enter up to 500 words, up to 500 words over down there. But please, you should try to use keywords from between 3 to 10. As you can see over here, it's about, I think it's 10. We have 10 over here. All right, yes, do not make them too many. You see, when it happens that way, it will diffuse the main focus of the channel, and it will not let the algorithm understand your keywords very well. So between 3 to 10, it's okay. So that's the keywords. All right, so now you are done here. Now in entering the keywords, as soon as you finish, it says that enter comma. All right, down over here. So you, for example, YouTube growth hacks, then you bring comma, and then you enter the other one, channel optimization, comma, and then video editing software tutorials, comma, digital marketing for creators, comma, in that order till you finish. All right, so this tells you that this particular platform is all about tutorials, it's all about YouTube growth, it's all about content creation, it's all about video editing softwares, tutorials in general. You understand? Great. So now you are done over here. The next one under the channel section is the advanced settings. At these settings, you see, whenever you are uploading a video, it will ask you either the video is set for made for kids. That means only kids. To the video is mainly for kids. All right. Great. So now when it happens that when you select the first one, it means that there wouldn't be any comment section of videos. All videos made for kids are not actually having comments. You understand? Yes. And so the next one is no, set this channel as not made for kids. When it happens that way, there will be a comment section, and that means that your videos wouldn't be recommended for kids. It will only be recommended for people who are not kids. You get it? So that is it. You need to set this one first. Then the next one is I want to review the settings for every video. When it happens this way, whenever you are uploading, they will give you the options to manually do the set or select the type of video you are uploading. But I would prefer you do it over here. It helps a lot, so that it lets YouTube algorithm understand the kind of videos you do and the audience that you provide the videos for, and then it will help them to even recommend your videos to this audience. And down part over there is the Google Ads account linking. That one, which I get time to talk about it. That's when you want to have some promotions and stuff, so you link your either your Visa card and stuff to it, so that YouTube can actually make the deductions and that from your bank account and that. So that is that one too. Okay, now automatic captions don't show potentially inappropriate words. Okay, so now what this means is that there are some words that YouTube abhors, so they detest. Okay, some words are not appropriate, and so when you take this one, whenever someone even enters a word like that on your video, on your comment, or anywhere on your channel, YouTube will actually drop it down. It wouldn't show it on your channel. All right, so that is it. We are done at the advanced settings. So let's get to the feature eligibility. The first one is standard features. And now to get your YouTube channel started and begin growing your audience with these features, that to upload videos, playlist creation, add collaborators to playlists, and add new videos to existing playlists. Now you see, you don't have any requirement. As soon as you create your channel is free of active community guidelines strike. That means you've not even uploaded anything, so you have not gone against any of their guidelines. All right, so now you are free. The next one is about the immediate features. You see, when you are having the requirement under this, that is where you can be able to actually upload videos longer than 15 minutes, and then you can also show your custom thumbnails, and then you can start live streaming. Now the first thing is your standard features enabled. That is the first one. All right, the first one, so it's already enabled. And then the next one is verify phone number. This one, when as soon as you finish creating your YouTube channel, it will not be ticked, so you need to verify it first before it will tick like green, as in this channel's own. You see, I've actually made a video on how to get your YouTube phone number verified, so you can check on my channel right here and you can find this particular video. Some people face a lot of challenges to be able to verify their phone number, but it's going to take you within few seconds to verify your phone number. So you can watch that one and then you verify. So it is only after verifying your phone number that you can be able to upload longer videos, and then you can use custom thumbnails, and then you can also go live. Else you cannot go live without making these settings. All right, so that is it. And then some other time we shall come to the advanced features. For the sake of this tutorials, I think we are done over here. So now let's get to the next one. That's upload features. Good. Please make sure you practice all these. You actually work on them before you even start uploading your videos. It is very, very important. It helps the YouTube algorithm to understand what your channel is all about. Now, the first one you're going to see is the basic info. That's the title. So you add a title that describes your video. Any title you enter here, whenever you are uploading, that title will show at your studio. That is where you are uploading your video. Then if you don't want it, then you can change it. So you see, we've not entered any title because videos titles will be different, or you understand. Now let's get to the description section. This description you have over here, you should be able to type a description that will run across almost all your YouTube video description, and that should be SEO friendly, search engine optimization friendly. So when you have these description, this short notice on almost all your video description, it's actually going to help the algorithm to understand your videos and your content very, very well and properly. You understand? And over here too, you can add some hashtags over there. Let me scroll down for you to see. You see I have some hashtags here. So what it means is that this description section, anytime you upload a video, this description section will also show over there. If you want to add some to it, you can add it to individual videos at their respective uploads. You get that? So that is it. And then the next one is, you check down here, you have visibility. You see the visibility, we have public, private, and unlisted. So I have selected public, so that what it means that all your video, anytime you upload a video, it will be shown publicly to people. You can put it on private, so that after making some additional editings and stuff, then you put it on public to be able to upload it. All right, so we are done over here at the basic info. The next settings to do is the advanced settings. Yes, one of the most important places to also check. So now when you come here, the first thing is your license, and that one is automatically selected by YouTube. Don't worry about that one. The next one is category. The category here is asking you of the type of video or the content you are making. So you select the one that best explains your content. So let's click the drop down here. You see we have autos and vehicles. You have comedy, you have education, you have entertainment, film and animation. As you can see over there, we have gaming, how to, and start. There are a number of them. So select the one you think it best explains your channel. You understand? Over here, I've selected education because this channel is strictly about educating the people and giving them what they need to know to be able to grow their YouTube channel, some tech tutorials and all that. So they are all about education. Someone can also decide to select the how to and style because of the how to, because it's about how to do this, how to do that, how to upload videos, how to get views, how to get your watch hours and stuff like that. So it does also matter at that side. You can be a travel content creator making vlogs. You know, they're down there, the last one, travel and event, you can select that one. Okay, so it depends on what you want to do. You based on that to select what best describes your channel over here. All right, so now the language and captions certification. Video language, you see it's not selected yet, so you click on that and then you select any of the languages that best describes your captions. So you have a lot of languages over here. You select if it's English, you select. If it's in any of the languages, you select it. That is it. Now the title and description language too over here, I've selected English. That's United Kingdom English. That means all your titles will be in English, so stick to that one too. Right, so we are done at this section too. That's the next important settings that you need to do. So we are done here. Now let's go to the permission section. The permission over here, as you can see, it shows that when you give people permissions on your channel, they can upload, comment, and take other public actions. They can also view private or hidden content. Okay, so now you see the name and the role. As you can see, that's the official email for this channel, and then it's the owner. So if you want to invite other people, use the invite button over here. All right, as you can see, yes, and then you can invite other people to also help you manage your platform. You give them roles and stuff like that. Some other time we shall make a thorough video on that over here on my channel. Okay, so now the next thing is you get to the community. And then at the community section, there's nothing really for you to even do, so you just leave it as it is now. Okay, don't worry about yourselves over here. Okay, so now let's go to the default, and at this place, to comment on your channel should show, you select on. All right, hold potentially inappropriate chat messages for review. So you can select or take this one, so that when someone enters any word that's inappropriate, YouTube will hold it. Okay, put it on hold before you review it, and then let it show over there. The last one we're going to talk about is the agreement. Over here, you have nothing to do over here. So and now that you are done with these settings, there's one important setting that you need to also add. So quickly, let us get to the customization section. You see, first one, we went to the settings down there. Okay, so now we are moving on to the customization. That's here. Good. Now it's going to open. All right, so now that it's open for us, you see, there's one important thing here I want us to take notice of. You see, we have profile, and then we have home tab. Let's zoom for you to see it clearly. As we can see over here, we have the home tab. This is what I'm talking about. So we are going there to do or to set another important thing, right? So now, after clicking on that, this is exactly what you're going to see on your screen. You see, there's something here that is not ticked yet, right? This one, mostly when you click on the home tab, you see that it is off like this. Please turn it on, because it has one of the very good important implications in the channel. All right, so this is what it means. Show your channel home tab to highlight and showcase content for your audience. So that is where you are telling YouTube to recommend your content to other people. So turn it on like this. Okay, and then when you finish, click on the publish. Yes, you see, it was already turned on. That is why the publish section is not showing. All right, so in your case, if you check and it's not turned on, turn it on, and then the publish section over here to publish will actually show white. So you click on that. Now, when you are done, you come to the first section, for you. Okay, that's the for you section. YouTube recommends fresh content based on your viewers' interest. This is only visible to your viewers when you have enough content. So you click on settings. Very, very important. So now what it means is that you are going to select the kind of content on your channel that you want YouTube to recommend to other people. So you have content type, that is the video is already selected. We have short already selected. We have live stream also selected. So let's get down there. Now the reason is all content, and that's a recommended option. YouTube always updates the for you section with fresh content. So now that you've selected all content, that means YouTube will be able to recommend all your content to other people. If you select the recent content only, that means your previously uploaded videos wouldn't be recommended. So this is also another equally important setting that you need to do before you even start uploading your videos. I'm sure you've really understood this one also very, very well. When you are done, you click on the done over here, and that is it, and then you select publish, right, to save it for you. Great. So now you are done. So that is it. Now those you see down here too, we shall get time talk about them. They are also equally important, but the first and the most important one is what you have done, the for you. That will let the YouTube recommend your content or your videos to the other audience for you. Very, very important. Please, these are some of the most important settings to do before you launch your YouTube channel, before you even start uploading videos. Do not stay away from this and begin to suffer along the way. Kindly do all these settings, make them actively intact before you start uploading your video, so that the YouTube algorithm will actually understand your content, will actually understand your video, and be able to recommend it to a larger audience for you. So that is it, and I'm sure you've really learned a lot from this particular video. So that's what I do over here on my YouTube channel. Please kindly watch other videos on my channel over here, and if you have found value in this particular video, that means you would want to be watching the subsequent ones. So you know what to do. right? You just click on the subscribe button, and then you can be watching the subsequent videos as and when I upload them over here. But don't forget to also click on the notification bell, put it on, so that whenever there is a video over here, you will actually be able to have access to it. So thank you very much. If you have any question, as usual, I'll be waiting in the comment section right away to answer all your questions. And if you have actually found these settings and you are done thoroughly, let me know at the comment section too. Thank you very much. Until we meet next time, all that I'm saying is that God bless you and do have a wonderful day.